the Weather Authority meteorologist Nikki-Dee.
It's 4:51. Skies are pretty cloudy, but we will stay dry throughout today. If you have any errands that you need to go to and from, today's a good day to get all of that accomplished because tomorrow is going to be wet and even a little messy, but don't worry, it's not a snow day just yet. Right now we're coming in 43 degrees. Our winds are out of our north at 9 miles per hour. And if you look over at our dew point, it is coming in at 35. So down at the surface, we're really a little drier than what we are seeing aloft. So that cloud cover, it's there. It's going to hang with us throughout the day, but I do not anticipate any rain to take place for our afternoon. Over in the Tri-Cities, you're at 43, 41 in Fredericksburg, 44 in West Point. And thanks to this cloud cover, temperatures are above the freeze mark. If those clouds were to have dispersed, we'd be waking up a whole lot colder. So they are working to our advantage for our morning, but a slight disadvantage for the afternoon because I do look for them to hold strong. So we're really not going to warm too much as the day will go on. What you see is basically how it is going to feel all day long. So wear something comfortable and something warm. You'll be glad you had it because today is going to be a bit on the chill side. The average high for this time of year is in the 60s, and we're not getting out of those 40s. Of course, things are pretty cloudy aloft, and they're going to stay that way through and through. You'll see peaks of sunshine, especially north of Richmond, Louisa, Fredericksburg, where we'll see some thinner cloud cover. But all in all, it's not a sunny day for us. Tomorrow, I need you to bring your own sunshine and need to make sure you're sharing the correct information on social media. I love y'all, but we can't start getting a little antsy about what is to come. Yes, models are indicating we will have some wintry mix. I do anticipate starting around midnight for some really wet sleet to push into our direction, even some frozen precipitation in the way of frozen rain. Our ground is too warm. I realize it's cold when you step outside. Temperatures are in the 40s, but they're not freezing. And because they're not freezing, anything that falls that is frozen will melt. If you're going to see any accumulation, it's going to be over into Stanton along I-81. For our immediate locations, this is just going to be a very cold, rainy day with these rain showers then beginning to take over on and off throughout our entire day. It's going to be messy. It's going to be cold. Keep that in mind. So please be safe as you are traveling tomorrow. 45 degrees today. Those clouds hang with us. Yes, there will be some frozen precipitation tomorrow morning. Our ground's too warm. It will melt, but be careful on the bridges and overpasses because that temperature tends to be a little bit cooler. 56 on Friday. We'll have a few clouds that clears out and you've got a dry weekend on tap, but definitely cold each and every morning. Kristen.
Oh boy, Nikki.